Good morning, my students. How are you today? Are you fine? Okay, I hope to you, all of you, being fine, inshallah. Okay, today we have a new lesson. Our lesson is story. Okay, firstly, I will show a video for you to help you to understand what is our story. Listen carefully.
It really is a beautiful statue. It's very, very old.
We had an amazing adventure to find it.
It was exciting and quite dangerous too.
This symbol here. I knew this.
What is it?
That's it. Now I remember. Wait here a moment.
Very strange. What does he remember?
And where did he go? Into the museum?
I think so. But what's that symbol?
Here you are. Look at this.
What is it?
A map from the museum.
Study the map so then you know the places where you have to go.
When you get there, look and find a line like this to make a rhyme.
The lines together make a quiz.
To tell you where the treasure is.
Look closely. What can you see?
The symbol. It's the same as on the statue.
This diamond is the symbol of an old English king. With this map, you can find more of the king's treasure. Zelda, it's me. The kids have got a treasure map.
We have to follow them and find the treasure before they do.
Okay, that's fine. So now we will start to discuss. Firstly, who can tell me what is the title of our story? What is the title? Who can tell me? Yes, our title is The Map. So you have to look carefully. Our concern in this story is the map because they have to find the treasure. Firstly, we have five characters. The characters are Ben, Lucy, Mr. Davidson, Zelda, and Horace. So these are five characters in the story. Also, you have to know that the setting here in the story is the amusement park. Look at picture number 1. The setting is the amusement park. So, the children's story, they are in the amusement park and they have a statue. And this statue, they have a symbol. Do you know what this means, symbol? Symbol is a sign that we have to put it for something secret, okay? So all the time they use it for what? For the treasure. It's like a quiz. It makes something secret. It's not for everyone to know what is the symbol, just the person that he is searching about this thing, okay? So they found a symbol on the statue. The statue, do you know what this means, statue? Statue is a carved thing. Maybe we can carve an animal, we can carve a flower, anything. carved thing, okay? Look, this is the statue, okay? Now, here, look, Mr. Davidson left the children and went for the museum. Why? Because Mr. Davidson remembered that he has something. What is it? It's a map. This is the map that Mr. Davidson have, okay? On this map, we have a message. We have a message. The message is strange. Look closely here. I will read the message. Study the map, so then you know the places where you have to go. So, we have places here. We have to look at this map and follow these numbers. What? To know what we have to do. When you get there, look and find a line like this to make a rhyme. These lines make a rhyme. The lines together make a quiz to tell you where the treasure is. So, if they want to find the treasure, they have to study these samples and they have to follow this map, okay? Now, what happened next? They found what? A sample on the map. Look here. Look here in the map, we have a sample, the same sample that we have on the statue. So, what is this sample? For whom this sample? Mr. Davidson said for them that this sample is of an old English king. So, this sample is like the diamond, okay? So, it's for an old English king. Now, at the end, Horrocks and Zelda saw them, but Horrocks saw them firstly. Then he called Zelda. Zelda, look, the cats have got the treasure map. Zelda, we have to follow them and find the treasure before they do. Now, so Horrocks and Zelda, they are planning how to catch the map from the children. Okay? So, at the end, you have to know, my students, the characters. We have 5 characters: Ben, Lucy, Mr. Davidson, Horrocks, and Zelda. Also, you have to know the setting. The setting is what? The amusement park. Also, we have a museum. Okay, and at the end you have to know the plot. The plot is the idea of the story, the plot that the children want to find the treasure. Okay, this is the plot. Now I will help you to answer these questions. These questions about what? The story. The first question: what does Mr. Davidson find on the statue? He found what? A sample. Where does he go to? Into the museum. What does he get? A map. What do Ben and Lucy have to make to find the treasure? They have what? A quiz. Who is watching them? Horrocks. What are Horrocks and Zelda going to do? They are going to follow Ben and Lucy to find the treasure first. So, Ben and Lucy must be careful. Okay? Okay, my students. Thank you for you a lot. Now, I will see you next time. And I hope you understand everything very, very well. Okay? Now, I will leave. Bye.